Hello guys, and welcome back to another cleaning motivational video. If you are new here, my name is Naimah Altidore. I am a stay-at-home mom of 3 boys, ages 5, 3, and 2. Today's video is going to be a clean and declutter, which will give you lots of motivation if you have any cleaning or decluttering that you need to do. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you, and please turn on your notification bell so you don't ever miss a video from me. So today's video, we are going to be decluttering my sister's bedroom. When she told me she needed help to clean her bedroom, and I said, okay. Since I've been pregnant, I've been home majority of the time, so I did not know her bedroom was in this stage. Since I started feeling better, I said, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and help you. So she came and picked me up, drove to her house, and started working.
Nope, don't be lifting up heavy stuff now. Not on my account.
We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we're holding the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we please. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause
So if you guys need whole house cleaning motivation videos, I will have a link in the description box where you can check 2 of them out that she actually came over and did for me when I wasn't feeling well. Check out the description box. I will have 2 links there for you to check it out once you are done with this one.
and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know.
So in this video, my mom is going to be helping, but I'm not going to be recording her. She's going to be in the other room sorting everything out because my sister said she doesn't want to keep everything. She just want to keep certain things. So she goes back and forth to talk to my mom and let her know what she will and will not keep. So I have no idea what she's going to be doing with everything, if she's going to be giving them away, donating, or selling. That's my son, guys, because she does have a lot of new items I've noticed, so I don't know if she's gonna sell that, so I have no idea.
We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea, but still you're the one who brings out the best in me. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. Ooh, we always get back up again. You and me. Ooh, baby, you and me. There's no one else that can make me feel like I can do anything I dream of but you. We can fight all day and make love at night, 'cause we always figure it out, don't we? Yeah. Yeah, we're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a
She is the second oldest of 6. Yes, my mom has 6 kids. And growing up, people used to get us confused. Why? I don't know. Because people thought like we look so much alike, and especially in school, people used to get us confused so much. And people would walk up to her or me thinking that we're each other, and then we'd be like, no, I'm not her, I'm her sister. It would be so funny sometimes, like, oh, I'm so sorry, I thought you were her. We used to always look at each other in the mirror, like trying to see the resemblance, like what people see, and we could just never see it. I don't know about now because we are so much older. Cookie? Okay, let's go. I'm walking, grabbing his cookie as I talk to you guys. So I don't know about now because we are so much older. Maybe we don't look as much alike anymore, but yeah, we used to get that a lot.
Another season we leave behind, another story that's got me blind. Got only you on my mind. I couldn't face what I couldn't find. Just need to know I need peace of mind. Where are you now? Even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me. I'm all alone down the steady road, just full of thoughts about to explode. Facing the night, even though I won't believe it, the truth is a light, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while.
So as I mentioned, while we're removing everything out of the bedroom, my mom is sorting everything in the other room. We did go ahead and declutter some things as we went along. I would ask her like, what about this and what about that? And then she would let me know and I would put them in the bag or to the side for her. But in this video, we just pretty much wanted to get as much done, so that part wasn't shown. As much done as possible because, and since I'm currently pregnant, the way I feel sometimes go in and out. So I didn't want to take too long or change the camera angles too many times because again, I could be feeling good right now and then in the next 5 minutes I don't feel good and I have to completely stop. And also my little sister started helping us as well.
There's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and
So she do plan on painting this room, and there's a few holes that's in the bedroom, which is from the previous owners. You could see that It has like a ton of like little holes from like picture frames and stuff like that. So those little holes have to be filled in before the wall gets painted. And I'm not sure what color she's gonna do, but she do have some plans. I know that she purchased some things already to decorate, and when she does everything, I also want to film all that as well, so you guys can see like the huge transformation from before and after. But I definitely wanted to give you guys a cleaning and decluttering motivation in this video. Right here, so here has plenty of little holes that we have to fill in. It's a whole lot of them. And then here's just, the wall is just dirty. Let me see if I can get them better. There we go. You can't really, okay. You can't really see it on camera, but the wall is really dirty. So now that everything is completely out of the bedroom, the only thing that I currently have to do is vacuum. And again, she is planning on painting the room, filling the little holes that you saw first, and then paint the bedroom. I'm not sure what color she's going to do. And also, I mentioned earlier, she got a few things to decorate and pretty much finish her bedroom. And when she do that, I am going to ask her to let me know so I can record it so you guys can see the before and after. But this video was basically like decluttering everything.
I don't wanna waste my time, so baby we should start living now. To be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you are new, please do not forget to subscribe. I would love to have you. Thank you again everyone for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.